The Easy Fold and Go Walker from Stander is the world's most lightweight and portable walker for stress-free traveling. It weighs only 7 pounds, but supports up to 400 pounds. And with the lift of a finger, it folds 4 times smaller than your average walker to quickly store in your car, shopping cart, the overhead compartment of an airplane, or discreetly by your side when not in use. Unlike traditional walkers, the Fold and Go can fit through narrow doorways and tight spaces, making it ideal for indoor use at home, while shopping, or eating at restaurants. It can adjust to fit anyone from 4 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 8 inches, and for extra convenience, it comes with an organizer pouch and premium swivel wheels to maneuver in tight spaces. So whether you're traveling the world or simply running a quick errand, now you can enjoy the journey with the Easy Fold and Go Walker from Stander.